Hello people, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can edit the birds PNG and sky PNG with the VN application. Open your VN right away, and then you just need to create the new project by click this plus button and tap in the new project. And the next thing you need to do is just go pick the video that you want to edit. Now I already got this type of video and I would like to edit for the sky first, so you just need to tap into this, go click stocks and pick the sky that you want to have. The next thing you need to do is adjusting the position of this, and right after you got them, now you just need to take a look on this button feature and slide it into the left side until you find mask. Just tap it, and now you just need to go pick the linear one right here, and then you just need to adjusting the positions. I'll let you make it right here and adjusting to be faded. Now I got this fade right this, and now the next thing you need to do is just go click done checklist button. The next thing you need to do now is just go tap into the plus button again, and the next is just go adding the birds video on it. And now we already got this birds video. Now we just need to like zoom it in and place them into the specific area that you want to have again, and then you just need to go take a look on this bottom side, and there will be a chroma. Tap on the chroma and adjusting the position until the background of the video with the birds on it is just gone. And for the intensity, you can also adjust in it. And now let's see the result right here. And there's still like half this, so I will like to crop this first. And here we go. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.